Welcome back, viewers, to the Dragster Shop and Transmission. I haven't posted a video in about a week, maybe a little longer, but here we are. Had a client bring in these four-wheel drive rear end, front end. This is a Dana 44, standard rotation, low pinion. He had paid somebody to set these gears up, I don't know, several years ago. And he never got a chance to run these rear ends. He had brought this 9-inch housing to me to relocate the spring purchase. Of course, I did that, factored in the angle of the pinion, because it is a jacked up vehicle that it was going in, and then something happened and he ended up not doing the job, the project, whatever, at that particular time. Now he wants to get it done, and he's realized that he needs different gear ratios. So that's why the rear ends are here. Got 456 gears in both rear end housings now. Going to change it over to 513s. But as you can see, I've completely disassembled the Dana 44 here. And take a look in there where the pinion gear goes. And then look at the pinion gear. Look where the gear goes. You can see in there. Look at the pinion gear. You notice something missing? Yeah, there's no crush sleeve. So, not quite sure what the deal was with the other guy that put them in. Maybe he just forgot. You know, so I don't know. But the good news is, when I ordered the new gear sets, I ordered the complete install kits as well. So I'll have what I need. And this is why I do things the way I do them. Because at the time I ordered the parts, I didn't quite have everything apart out of this rear. I already know what's in this one because I rebuilt the posi traction unit in it several years ago when he had me do the leaf spring purchase, and he hasn't driven them since, so he hasn't used them, so they've just been sitting around getting dirty. And so this is the first time I've been into this rear end. Like I said, Dana 44, obviously lower pinion, standard rotation. And this is why when I order parts, this is why I like to get the parts, because I'm going to replace everything in them anyway. You know, I'm not going to take somebody else's word for stuff like this, because this is what usually ends up happening. So, and also on these Danas, the carriers they're a little bit difficult to get out. You really have to pry on them. But anyway, this one here was very difficult. I had to use really long pry bars and a hammer, and when you install the carriers in these Dana 44s, they are a little tight to get in, but you shouldn't have to bang on them real hard. So anyway, just gonna keep this video short. So just make sure you get somebody, if you're watching this video and you need gears changed. If you're not close enough to me to have me do them, make sure you can trust who's doing them for you. I mean, maybe this guy made a mistake and just forgot to put the crush sleeve in. Maybe not. I don't know. Regardless, hope this helps you guys out. All right, subscribe to the channel. Click on that little notification bell. And once you click on that, it'll say click the all button, so you'll get all notifications of videos that I upload in the near future to my channel. And leave a comment below, and like it, share it, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.